This file is exclusively for Texas Instruments calculators. You cannot open it on a PC unless you have the specific student software that mimics the calculator. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the software. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common TNS Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. A TNS file is associated with the TI-Nspire student software, a suite of educational tools developed by Texas Instruments. These files typically contain documents, worksheets, or interactive lessons created and used within the TI-Nspire environment. They can include mathematical expressions, graphs, data tables, and interactive simulations designed to enhance learning in mathematics and science. TNS files are structured to store a variety of data types and interactive elements supported by the TI-Nspire software. The file format is proprietary to Texas Instruments and is designed to be opened and edited within the TI-Nspire environment. They are often used by students and educators to create and share educational content. The core association for the TNS file points directly to Texas Instruments' TI-Nspire software developed by Texas Instruments, Inc. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows does not natively run scripting languages, so execution requires external programs. Your first step to success: right-click the TNS file and choose Open With. If Texas Instruments' TI-Nspire software is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. If your TNS file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the application couldn't handle the TNS file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, use TI-Nspire software. Open the file using the TI-Nspire student software or teacher software, which is required for this proprietary calculator file. Next, check for updates. Ensure your TI-Nspire handheld calculator firmware and the PC software are both updated to the latest version to ensure file compatibility. Finally, convert to PDF. Use the software's file print menu to print the document as a PDF file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.